patrol. Doon ako manggagaling. But it did not materialize. I was supposed to wear something different tonight. Dapat po dapat po naka-gown ako. Totoo yun, naka-ball gown ako. And I changed my mind during the Holy Week. Sabi ko masyadong masyadong loud. So I changed my mind. Sabi ko magsusuot ako ng girls' school uniform. But it did not materialize. So I was supposed to wear blue shoes. I was supposed to buy blue shoes, a pair of blue shoes. Wala lang kasi gusto ko lang. Kasi parang akong cool yung blue. But it did not materialize. Sabi ko, okay lang na hindi nag-materialize yung lahat ng yun. For as long as this reunion materializes tonight. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ang lahat ng nandito ngayong gabi. Nevertheless, nandito po yung isa nating ka-batchmate. Ang pangalan po niya ngayon ay Bing De Leon na. So, palakpakan po natin si Mrs. Bing De Leon to give some words on behalf of Honorable Josie De La Cruz.
Good evening po sa mga teachers namin and to all my fellow batchmates. Actually, yung totoo ko pong pangalan is Aurora A. Hilario from Taguig, Bulacan. So, yun lang po kasi talaga yung nickname ko, kaya yun yung ginagamit ko right now. So, in behalf of Governor Johnson Mendoza and former Governor Josie De La Cruz, I would like to congratulations to all of us for having reached our 20th year in St. Paul as alumni of St. Paul. Hindi lang po talaga makakapunta si ma'am kasi yung po kasi although ahead pang February, she already confirmed na dadating siya dito. Kaya lang talagang hindi lang po niya na magkakaroon po ng kasabay na schedule ngayon, kaya hindi na siya makapunta dito. So, also, we would like to congratulate our organizers for a job well done. So, palakpakan naman po natin lahat ng organizers natin. So, by the way, kasama ko din po sa Provincial Government of Bulacan, I'm with the Office of the Provincial Administrator. Si Doc Paul is with the Office of the Provincial Agriculturist, Provincial Agriculture Office, at si Sharon Alejandrino at si Gemma sa Bulacan Medical Center. So palakpakan kunin natin ang mga kasamahan natin sa Provincial Government of Bulacan.
To Honorable Josie De La Cruz from SPCP High School Batch 19, April 10, 2010, Casa Burgos, Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Picture na photo ko. Ma'am, palakpakan naman natin si ma'am. Grade 4 teacher. Ma'am, grade 4, di po ba? Yung classroom, natatandaan ko po, yung classroom yung pinakamalaki, pinakamaganda, pinakamalinis. Kaya kita ko, gusto ko magpa-transfer sa section na yun. Tsaka yun yung may hagdanan na pinakamalapit kung saan ako pwedeng tumakas. Kaso po naman yung classroom ko, hindi ako napunta sa inyo. Yan ma'am. Tapos po, maraming salamat pang umattend ka kasi nung nag-shoot kami ng video, you're so busy. Ngayon ma'am, ngayon live, di ba? Palakpakan natin si ma'am.